It sounds louder. Today is the day. Or well, fingers crossed that today is the day. Finally received the new exhaust clamps. So hoping that resolves the exhaust leaks that I'm dealing with. "46 minutes away, so I'll pick back up once we get to the shop."
Here's the worst one. It's kind of hot.
Oh, dang. Yeah, it's better, but shout out to the Race Factory team. Just kind of wanted to showcase their shop a little bit. Car is done. Shout out to JR for the license plate frame. So, good and bad news. So, clamps, the install wasn't too bad. Shout out to Josh. He was able to get that on relatively quick. Unfortunately, even with the new beefier, stronger clamps, there still is an exhaust leak. It's worse on one side than the other. I know I was kind of made aware that it is kind of what it is with slip-on exhausts. There's no guarantee that you can have, I guess, an airtight seal with the clamp-on style. So the only way around that is if you were to get it welded. So gonna see if I can work with the manufacturer, see if I can get that approved, or if they'll work with me to get the exhaust welded up so I don't have to deal with that exhaust leak. But apart from that, I'm really happy with the service that Race Factory provided. I mean, they kind of took me in last minute notice, and it's kind of a funny request. And I do feel kind of embarrassed, right? Taking the car in to just get clamps installed. Like, it's kind of sad, but it is what it is. I mean, I was rolling around underneath the car for quite some time. I'm kind of bruised up and sore still. I think I mentioned that earlier. And then, you know, it kind of affirmed it as well when I saw how much force needed to separate the old exhaust clamps, just because they were stripped, and then needing two very large channel locks and really like kind of muscling it around. That's not something I would have been able to do underneath the car. So I'm glad I took it to a shop, you know, as embarrassing as that sounds. Minor setback, major comeback. So I'll showcase the car exhaust in a bit. First, I did want to showcase this insane Mark IV Supra. Hilarious license plate. It's a manual. Not sure if it's a 2JZ GTE, but that manual trans itself is oof, bank. Super nice E46 M3 as well. It's actually kind of a BMW galore here. If I kind of go around, I think you might have seen some clips already. Let's start with the showroom. Some light. Dakar yellow E36 M3 slick top just inside of the showroom. Two E36s. Wanted to showcase the yellow one. It's Dakar. The E36. Race seats. Looks like an RTD. Is that an RTD shifter? There's an AE86 here. So sick. Track spec E92. So this shop specializes not only in one particular car, they actually work on an assortment of cars. But as of late, it looks like they're doing a lot of BMW work, reinforcing the subframe, vanos replacement, rod bearing service, crank hub service. So you can kind of name it all. So definitely check them out if you're looking for a shop. They're located in Campbell. They really took care of me, so I gotta shout them out. Definitely gonna take my car here when I get my coilovers. So I'll check back in. All right, so just leaving Race Factory now. Kind of the first test drive with the exhaust leak. I wouldn't say corrected, but better than before. It sounds louder. All right, what have I done? Or actually, what have I didn't do anything, actually. This is intentional. Wow. This thing is louder. Okay. I like it. Oof. Sorry. That is insane. Wow. I am kind of at a loss of words. That sounds so good. What I'm noticing right now also is now that it's not leaking as badly as before, it's actually even quieter now in the cabin. Yeah, it's a lot quieter.